Yes. Okay. It's already recorded. Recording. Okay. Koyama, I will pin you, and I will
Mm.
pin myself for everyone as well. Okay, so
wow,
yeah.
wow. Cool, it's cool.
ないねって言ったことなかったママ。どうだった
Mm. Okay.
Okay. This one. Well, let's Koyama. Are you ready?
Okay. Are you ready, member?
Okay, let's start, Koyama. You can open your before uh the script that we have prepared. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
Yes. Good evening everyone. Well, selamat malam rekan-rekan pendidik dari Indonesia. And konbanwa, uh, every sensei from Japan. Welcome to the third edition of Japanesia year 2026. I'm Nastiti, and you can call me Nana from GEG Kota Malang. I'm a leader of GEG Kota Malang, Indonesia, and I'm so thrilled to be your host tonight for tonight's incredible session. What is this? Japan Indonesia Tech Fusion Next Gen Lesson Design.
Okay, and good evening from my side, konbanwa. I'm Koyama, and waiting some so very honor to co-host this session. And with Nana, tonight is very special because we are went in this beautiful energy betting Japanese innovation and Indonesian celebrity.
Wow, please give us the reaction, everyone. Well, that's right, Koyama. Before we begin, we want to share that Japanesia is a community built from a wonderful collaboration. It is a bridge connecting GEG Balikpapan and GEG Kota Malang from Indonesia with GEG Urawa and GEG Goshogawara from Japan. Please give applause, everyone. Well, we are here to foster international pedagogical exchange and digital literacy.
Well, sorry. And for volume 3, we are developing, diving too deep into the future. We will explore how Google Germany, Gemini, Gemini, a new Japanese called Gemini. Yeah, but
Gemini.
the world is
Yes.
called Gemini. And AI and Kanban transform the way we design wisdom and engage sorry with our student in this modern area.
Wow. Well, we have two, and Koyama, we have two phenomenal experts with us tonight. First, we will hear from Juairia, or you can call her Juju, leader of GEG Ogan Ilir and Confessador from Indonesia. Please give applause or give the best reaction for her, and who will masterfully guide us through K-12 design using Gemini prompts and Canvas magic layer. And then we will hear from Ryuhei Endo, the leader of GG Okayama and Canvasador from Japan. Wow, wow, wow. Who will share his first-hand experience in primary schools. Keep going, Koyama.
Okay, it's going to be an action. Okay, session. So please make sure your microphones and mute during the presentation. But um, feel free to drop your question in the chat box. Chat box. Okay, and we will have this as a Q&A session later.
Wow. Great.
Wow.
Are you ready to transform your teaching materials tonight, everyone? Well, let's get started, Kayama. Shall we invite our first speaker?
All right, do it, everyone. Please give them one bench of everyone. Welcome. To Pooh, Pooh, Juju,
Bu Juju.
Juju.
It's
Bu
great.
Juju.
Okay.
Yay.
Hey.
Ready? Ready?
The stage is yours. Come on.
Okay, thank you very much. Hello, everyone. I am Juju. Juju. Thank you. What's your name? Koyama? Your name is Koyama?
Mayuko.
Oh, okay. My name is Juju. Before thank you to Pak Nanang and Nana Chan for inviting me to share my best practice here at Japanesia. Okay, everyone, before I dive into my explanation regarding Canva and Gemini, please allow me to share my share screen. But I'm using the entire screen so I can see the chart or activity in the Meet. Kak Nana boleh bantu saya nanti ya, kalau misalnya ada yang tanya-tanya gitu.
Aman.
Okay, please allow me to share my screen first ya.
Dan batik Juju-chan.
Oke, thank you. Teman-teman boleh ajak yang lain tadi dari RBWIT diajakin udah mulai gitu dibilang ya. Baik. Have you all ever seen this video before? Have you ever seen this video?
Everybody can type your answer
Okay.
through the chat. Yes.
You can open the chat.
Oh, wait. So I have opened the chat.
Don't be locked.
Yes, I have opened the chat. The participant can send the message on the chat.
Okay. It's okay. Have you ever seen the video before? This is a cartoon. Help me type in the chat box. Which movie is this? What is the name of girl in this movie? Okay, you can chat. Nana, can you read for me?
Flying. Flying. Kak Nanang said it's flying. Oh my gosh. How?
Right.
No, Pak Nanang, this is Kiki Delivery Service. Which movie is this? What is the very famous animation in the Indonesia? I don't know, in Japan. The girl name is Kiki, and animation Kiki Delivery Service. Oh yes, many of you got it right, but it seems quite a few of you might not know. Yeah, this is one of my favorite Ghibli animation, second only to Spirited Away. This is Kiki Delivery Service. In Japanese is Majoto Takyubin. I hope I right, yeah. It's a classic Japanese animation produced by Studio Ghibli and directed by Hayao Miyazaki, 1989. And the film tells the journey of 13 years old, penyihir, which named Kiki, who must leave home for years, develop independent in the new city. Well, this is Gigi. This is Gigi. And this is Juju. You remember me? This is Gigi. And this is Juju. I hope you remember me. Gigi is iconic black cat, companion of young witch in Kiki delivery service. Okay, well, this is me, Juju. Allow me introduce myself. I am Joyria, but you can call me Juju, not Gigi. I hope you can remember my name. I am a Canvasador from Indonesia, the leader of Gigi Organ Ilir, Google ELP. ELP is Education Leadership Program, facilitator, and Google Certified Coach and Trainer. And I recently become a Google Certified Innovator for the first time alongside Nana Chan. Okay. Next, what are we going to discuss tonight? This is the basket that are filling up. We will discuss Gemini AI, Canva, specifically focus in the Magic Layer tools and Learn Grid, also Canva offline. Okay, stop it. Just 5 slide. Wait. Saya pindah layar dulu ya ke sini. In relation to my earlier introduction, I will be share from that you as participant can practice with in this class. Okay, we will open the Gemini. Yeah, in it. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. Okay, now I'm going to open Gemini. Before we begin, has everyone used Gemini before? If you have, please type 1. Jika kamu pernah pakai Gemini, ketik 1. If you haven't, please type 0. Okay, Nana, help. You can read chat for me.
From Indonesian, I see the name participant from Indonesian. They type 1.
Okay.
Well,
it seems that many of you are already familiar with Gemini. So let's get started. When you first open Gemini like this, you will see this chat box. This is chat box. Here you can find various tools. This is tools, including learn, music, video, deep research, canvas, and image. Deep research, video generation, but this is video. This is only available on paid pro account. Additionally, there is tools for music generation. Ini yang terbaru ya. Okay, currently we will focus in Nano Banana. This is Nano Banana, a Gemini tool for image generation. I will send the prompt in the chat box. This prompt was told to me by a friend from my community. His name is Andi Subhan. He will also be presenting material here at Japanesia next. Is Mr. Andi Subhan here in the room? Nah, Kanana?
I haven't seen him yet.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I open this. Nah, ini dia. Wait ya. The prompt goes like this. Before I send, please listen to me first. There are several parts here that need to be modified. this section must be updated with the name of yours, this name of your region or your current place in residence. This is my residence. You can change.
Kak Juju,
Yeah.
would you move to Zoom?
Okay.
Zoom the, ya.
Nah, cukup
Nah,
nggak?
kurang nggak? Kurang dikit lah. Nah, sip. Oke.
Ini ya.
Nah, ya.
Baiklah. Saya ulang ya. The prompt goes like this. Before I send it, please listen to me first. There are several parts here that need to be modified. Contohnya nih, example, your name. This section must be updated with the name of your region, of your current place in residence ya. Ini di change. Ini bahasa Jepangnya change apa ya? Oke. Nah, landmark of your region. And you can enter. This is you can remove this. Memang saya harus pelan-pelan ini. Coba semuanya tarik napas dulu. Kayaknya pada pucat. Baik. You can enter your social media handle here ya. Then when you share it on social media, feel free to tag me so I can repost your work. This is completely optional. You are not.
Suaranya Bu Juju.
Kak Ju, you are unmute. You're muted. Please unmute it.
Ada yang matiin
Oke.
suaraku ya. Oke. Please saya share Chrome lagi. Bentar ini. Nah. Oke. The form once you modify first and copy to Gemini, but saya perbesar dulu. Please do not forget to upload your best photo here. Nah, upload your photo here. Saya cari dulu. Nih, your photo, upload your best photo, upload in here, and you paste prompt in here. And don't forget to select the Nano Banana tools. This is, I hide. This is Nano Banana. Then you run it. Wait a moment until done. You can sleep now until done. Okay, wait. Creating your image now. This is your prompting output. When it's done, please send the link here. You can send the link. Wait. You can send the link in the in our chat.
Kak Ju, have you shared? Can you share the link to the Google Docs that contain
Oh
the prompt?
yeah, you're right. Wait ya. Sampai lupa aku mau nge-share ini loh. Share. I start the from and you try at your laptop, your handphone. Let's continuing. And that's a done. You can try. And please try to use a personal Gmail account, as most education account do not allow for link sharing. Jadi pakai Gmail supaya bisa di-sharing linknya. If your image is already, please send into the chat. We try to look your image from. Okay. Stop. Ada yang sudah? Have you already? We try by Gemini on phone? Yes, you can try on your phone. Sepertinya teman-teman masih lama ya. Nanti share aja ke chat. Nana, you translate in English. Yeah.
You can translate it by yourself.
30 minutes. 30 minutes goes. Okay. First, now let's head over to Canva and use the magic layer ya. Magic layer feature. Saya lanjut dulu ke sini karena waktu saya cuma 30 menit.
Yes, they wait for the magic layer.
Kasihan si Indonya. Now, let's see me. Now let's head over to Canva and use the magic layer feature. This is magic layer. With this, we can break down the image grid with Gemini into several individual elements, just like this. Okay, this is my image. Oh yeah, first open Canva and ensure that the language is set to English, as some tools only appears when Canva is being used in English. Jadi kalau pakai bahasa lain biasanya nggak muncul. Okay, wait a moment. This element break down the image grid. Yeah. Now, once the element are separate, we can edit text. We can edit text, edit the image, or isolate the image. Hello. Like this. And make new page. You separate the image and change the size like this. Okay, well, I use this to make craft or children at school, and I hope this help you in your school. Okay, one Gemini and two magic layer 3. Next, I will discuss the Learn Grid. As a teacher, you will definitely will find this useful. This is Learn Grid. You can follow me. Wait. I hope you understand about magic layer. Magic layer can separate image and you can edit again the picture. Next, I will discuss about Learn Grid. This is Learn Grid. As a teacher, you will definitely find this useful. Okay, when you click on Learn Grid, a variety of options will appear, such as English, science, maths, and other. However, some subject may not be available yet. You can simply adjust and customize them as needed. Okay, with this Learn Grid, you can create various student worksheets, this interactive games, or whiteboard with a wide range of options. The language is Learn Grid. This is language, bahasanya ya Australia, Brazil, and Japan. The language Learn Grid can be changed. Also, do not forget select the student age. Yeah, student age in 12 years. Example, subject and topic. This is the subject. We can try math. Okay. However, you must double check whether they are appropriate or not, as this version of Learn is very new and its library is still limited. Worksheet, interactive game. We try interactive game. This is, you can multiple choice. Example, topic a student. Multiple choice. This is math ya. Tadi saya pilih apa? Kurikulum. Oh, math benar. Ntar ya. Ini aja kategoris. Kita mau kategorikan. Untuk matematika kira-kira apa ya, Kak? Kelas di SD.
Volume atau pecahan,
Right.
mungkin fraction.
Volume. Bangun
Ya,
ruang ya.
volume, oke. Bangun ruang.
Okay, once you have finished creating the Learn Grid, you can send it as a link to your student, and it will be ready to be used immediately for a classroom game. The example. Wait a moment. Okay. So these are some of the Canva feature you can utilize in your classroom. There are many more. Next, I would specifically like to introduce Canva offline feature. Tapi kalau di Jepang nggak begitu ini ya, Kak Nana ya, nggak begitu berguna kalau Canva offline, sebab kan mereka jarang mati lampu kan. Which is which is incredibly useful in Indonesia. Canva offline is a feature which is incredibly useful in Indonesia, especially in region where the internet signal is still unstable or frequent power outage occur. Perhaps might not be as relevant in Japan, but is a game changer for us in Indonesia. Karena kita sering mati lampu. Oh, okay. This is the game. You can try and start activity. Nah, ini jawab sendiri deh, kan anak nggak bisa jawabnya. Coba-coba aja. Oke. Try. Oke, mana lagi? Ini try. Try. Check answer. Wow, 3, 12, hanya 3 yang benar. Nah, ya. Okay, with this Learn Grid, you can create various student worksheet, interactive game, whiteboard with a wide range of option, yeah. And then once you have finished creating like this, the Learn Grid, you can send its link to your student. Use in design, website, and wait. Okay. Publish website. You share the link to your student. Wait a moment. Okay. This link share to your student and ready to use in your classroom. Okay. Back to Canva. Canva offline. In the Canva offline feature, you can edit your project even. Tadi kan saya sampaikan ada Canva offline. In the Canva offline feature, you can edit your project even without internet connection. However, you must first load the element you wish to edit while online. Please note that while offline, you will not be able to upload or download any asset or element, so everything must be prepared in advance. Okay, Nana, I stop sharing. That's
Well,
yes.
Kak Ju, would you
Yeah.
mind to share the link to the link from your the Canva that you have created before?
This
Yeah.
is itu linknya.
So everybody can try to do
Yes.
the
You can
worksheet.
try the game and your practice in your classroom. Canva very useful. And that's conclude my presentation on best practice for Gemini and Canva. Thank you for attention. Thank you very much.
Wow. Yeah,
Nana.
thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, Kak Juju. But before we end your your part, I see in the Google in the chat box there is one or two some questions. The first is, can we try by Gemini on phone? Maybe they mean can we try to make to use the prompt that you have given before in the Gemini on phone?
Okay. I answered before. Yeah, you can try Gemini on phone. I have Gemini application on phone, and lebih bagus malah saya pikir kalau pakai yang Gemini di phone. Karena apa itu ya maksudnya kan? Semoga saya nggak salah ya. Kalau in Gemini application in your phone have a live. Okay, this is live. I use this in supermarket, look ingredient on food, and the answer in the Gemini. It's very useful. You can try Gemini Live in your phone. Jadi not be in your laptop, but you can use Gemini on your phone. That's it, Nana.
Wow, great. And the last, Kak Ju, some people share their result in generating in using your prompt to generate their picture. Maybe later you can visit their Gemini.
Oh, okay.
And yes, and this one, the last is you get you get the feedback from Tatsunosuke Mizuyama. If you still remember, he is one of our friends, our friends in Virtual Innovator Academy 26. He
Yes,
said that
I remember him. Where him?
Canva really do that. Wow, he said like that in the chat box.
Thank you.
He
I remember you.
yes.
That's so nice.
Well, is there any question? Is there any other question, everyone? Koyama, do you have any question?
Oh, okay. I have a question. Wait.
My name Juju. You can call me Juju, not Gigi. Juju.
Juju. So I've never used any of the features, but before, how do you study this
Itu kalau saya
application?
masuk kan nggak usah ditegur, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting orang tahu.
Okay, I need Marina Listi. Okay, thank you, Nana. You can text on the chat box. Okay. Nana, boleh di ini. Aku agak kurang. Ini. I
Okay.
don't. That's mean.
Yeah. Koyama.
Okay. Hi.
Koyama, are you there? Yes.
Okay.
Would you mind to reply your? I mean to say your.
You can reply your question.
Can you reply your question, please?
Yeah. It's okay, Koyama.
あれ聞こえてなかったかな
Wait, Reiko-san, maybe would you mind to help us?
Yeah.
小山先生、もう一回言ってください。
あ、OK。
質問わかりますね。
I never use this function.
Nano banana, you can never use.
So, how do you study these applications?
Oh, aku belajar dari mana gitu maksudnya?
Yes.
Okay. Learning by doing, again and again. I use every day Gemini, but I don't use AI for untuk soal. Aku nggak pernah buat soal pakai AI pokoknya. I don't use.
I see. Kak Juju never make a question by using AI. But she use AI. She use AI just like Nano Banana for every of her project in the school or in the community.
I am learning by doing, Koyama.
Yes.
Learn and learn.
Thank you. So practice is most convenience, comfort. ごめんなさい。study ってことだね。練習あるのみ。
Yes. Practice. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. As a member, do you have a question? 何か質問ありませんか？日本語でも OK。
Artinya apa ya?
そう、インドネシアのこと聞くチャンスなので。
You can use English.
So,
how, Koyama? Is there any question? Is there any other question from Japanese side?
Yeah.
No?
日本の方質問ありませんか？なさそう。ちょっと、there are shy boy and shy guy. そう、日本人恥ずかしがり屋。
You can picture once.
Yeah, I have a picture of you.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2,
I
3.
have taken. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, Koyama. Koyama, she wants
Koyama,
to
Yeah, yeah.
share with you.
To breathe and wait. To translate it wolf and member, all member, all member, or ちょっと待って。タイル全員、入んないどうやったら入る？よいしょ。固定を解除。はい、固定
Okay.
解
Juju
除。
tunggu dulu.
Yeah.
Gue masih pakai translator.
Well, since we are waiting, Nana,
okay.
can we ask the one question? I just saw the question.
Okay, come on, Reiko-san.
Yeah, it's one of the
Reiko-san, come on.
question. It said, at your
Okay.
country or at your place, many students can they use the AI
Oh.
at the school, or there's no limitation? Do you have any
Yes.
limitation?
Yes, Reiko. My student use AI, but in Indonesia, if you not 16 years, you can use AI.
16 years
Yes,
students.
Gemini can use child under 16 years in Indonesia.
Okay.
But my
Indonesia では
student use AI.
16歳がラインだそうです。16歳から上下で生徒が使える使えないがあるそうです。Thank you. That was a question on the chat area. Any questions? 何か他質問がありますか？
Wow.
他に誰か質問あ
Thank
り
you,
ませんか？
Reiko.
そう。
Kayaknya waktuku udah selesai
日
banget
本何歳でしたっけ？忘れちゃった。日本は何歳が？
日本はジェミナイに関して Google for Education for ファンダメンタルはからもう全然小学校から制限なしです。
I just asked about the Japan side. At the Japanese public schools or private schools, just a regular Japanese school, there's no limitation if the students or school can use the what is called like a Google fundamental or Google the things. So it depends on the school, but how much you pay, I guess.
Oh,
Another question
It's
I
about-
just saw.
It's about itu loh Kak Ju.
Okay.
Apa namanya?
Bayaran berapa?
Google Premium. Iya, yang premium itu loh.
yang
Edu
premium.
Plus.
Yeah.
Canva
Ah,
Plus
okay,
gitu.
so under the law.
Canva, I don't know about Canva, but the element, if you try with Canva with your email, not fundamental mail, in Indonesia Belajar ID, the teacher gratis tuh. Nah. I forgot nih. With free in Indonesia. If we use account from fundamental account, with free. But I don't know.
I guess it's a
Canva.
dependent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Canva. Yeah, Pak Nanang.
maybe I can explain a little bit about the Canva. Yeah. Our government, through the Minister of Education, has paid off all the domain for the email account to all teachers because we have the national domain for all teachers.
Oh,
It's
okay.
called belajar.id.
ID.
Yeah. So every
Let
teacher.
me translate. Okay. インドネシアでは、政府が先生全員に、国が定めた E メールのアカウントを全員もらえるそうです。Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So every teachers, all Indonesia, if
Can try.
they use belajar.id, they will access Canva professional account because
Yes.
our
Because of the
minister,
email account.
our minister has paid all the
Okay.
account to the Canva headquarters. Yeah.
We can access
Indonesia-
Pro Element and many more.
So is that the K through 12 as well as the college level?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's not only the belajar.id. Yeah. In college, we don't, sometimes for some university, they don't use Canva, just only belajar.id account. Yeah.
インドネシアでは、幼稚園から高校生まで、幼稚園、小学校、中学、高校まで、国が、全部の教師に E メールのアカウントを上げてるそうです。で、E メールのアカウントをくれるっていうことは、そのジェミニとかに、アクセスが可能だそうです。
Okay. Thank you, Pak Nanang.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Reiko.
And then that's it said. Is there anything you would like to challenge yourself with using AI in the future? It's kind of, there is a English and then, yeah. So using the AI is also depends on the teacher, I guess.
Okay, depend on the teacher. Yeah.
So using the AI is more common in the nowadays.
It's common. I think so. Yeah.
It's getting? Okay. AI はどんどん使われてきてますかって聞いたら、だいぶ使われてきてるみたいだそうです。I guess it's so as the Japanese side of the teachers too. My understanding is many of the schools provide the school email account. So most of the school has the somewhat connection to the Google Classroom. So many teachers has a Google Classroom access with the AI access. So many teachers start using the AI.
Yes, but in Belajar ID, Gemini can use ya, Nana? Ada Gemini.
Yeah, I think the belajar.id can use, but not the plus. Yeah, just the general. Yeah, this is for general.
Basic.
Still main limitation for Belajar ID.
Yeah, and it also depends on the school in Japan too, how much they pay at the school. So 日本ではいくら払うかでやっぱりね何が使えるかがちょっと違うかもしれないという説明をしました。合ってるかな？大丈夫かな？はい。他にもし質問があれば。じゃあ let's go to the next
Next.
Can we do the Japanese side?
And the teacher, are you ready?
Hi.
Hi, so please your presentation for everyone. And the teacher, first you
お願いします。Hello.
Anpin. Okay, thank you very much. Go ahead, Endo.
Hello, I'm Ryuhei. Juju's workshop was really helpful. Thank you so much. Oh. Hello. I'm an elementary school teacher. I really enjoy using AI and ICT in my lessons and at school to make learning more fun and efficient and to make things possible that we couldn't do before. I give workshops all over Japan to help teachers enjoy using AI and ICT at school. I'm not very good at speaking English, so today I have also English texts, so I would appreciate it if you could look at it and check it as well. I'm very sorry if my English is hard to listen to today. I worked hard to prepare these sentences, so I would be grateful if you could listen to me, Migoren. For today's training, I changed the language settings in Gemini and Canva from Japanese to English. This is so that everyone can understand how to use these tools in English. Please let me introduce myself a little more. I also share information on Instagram and YouTube. The book I wrote has sold about 5,000 copies so far. It also became a bestseller on Amazon. I am currently working as an elementary school teacher while also studying and doing research in graduate school. I have also won an Excellence Award for my research. Many people have become to observe my lessons at school and I have also been interviewed by TV programs. I really like Indonesia. I have been to Bali. Indonesian food was very delicious. I want to visit Indonesia again. Nasi goreng, mie goreng. I love nasi goreng, mie goreng. Today, I will introduce 3 topics. The first one is using image generation in education. The second one is using slide generation in education. The third one is using music generation in education. First, I will talk about image generation. This character is my school's mascot. As an example, I made a guide that explains how to use playground equipment. Here is the prompt template. 渡したい。ちょっと待ってくださいね。
Please wait, member. He
Sorry.
get this prompt in chat.
Okay.
Here.
You can create a cute illustrated guide like this. Cute. When you want to edit this image, Canva can help. Juju's magic layers. Recently, Canva added a feature called magic layers to its tools. You can also use it to edit images. Magic layers. This feature recognizes illustrations and text in an image and lets you edit them. Wow. Some illustrations may not be recognized, so they sometimes disappear. The method I use most is very simple. Select the pen from the tools and pick the background color you want to blend in with tools, pen, pick a color. Cover the text you want to erase. Then add new text using a text box. Beautiful. Now I will show how it is actually used at my school. In Japanese class, we read a story and analyzed the characters. When you enter the text, we found in the same way as before. You can create an illustration like the one below. We look at each other's work to see if the character images matched what we had imagined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While looking at our friend's work, we had a lively discussion about what seemed different and what seemed accurate. Comment. Good. Guides for preparing and cleaning up school lunch are also posted around the school. Posters about self-evaluation after finishing a lesson are also displayed in the classroom. We had a lesson where students researched local facilities. You can also use it by entering photos and the information you found. Okayama Library. Picture, イラスト. Some students use Canvas Magic Layer app to remove things they didn't need. 2. Create presentations efficiently. It is useful to organize what you researched on Canvas whiteboard. You can organize it with a webbing map. About Japanese food, sushi, conveyor belt sushi, 江戸前寿司, ramen, miso, shoyu, tonkotsu. On the whiteboard, when you select a shape, arrows automatically appear and you can connect a new shape. You can add photos, videos, and the URLs of the website you researched, so it is very useful. Picture URL. Download this as one image in PNG format. Share PNG download. Attach the image to Gemini and ask it to create Google Slides in Canvas mode. Picture, Canvas mode. Prompt share. It will create Google Slides based on the content organized on the whiteboard. Whiteboard slide. Click this button. Export to slide this. You can then edit it in Google Slides. Wow. Sushi, ramen. If you find Canva easier to use than Google Slides, download that data as a PowerPoint file. File, download, PowerPoint. Upload the PowerPoint file to Canva. Canva upload PowerPoint. You can then edit the slides in Canva. You can also translate it by using the resize feature. When people from Nepal came to observe my classroom, my students used the translation feature during their presentations. 3. It is also interesting to turn what you learned into music. Creating a song that matches the slides while discussing it together is also very effective. While making the lyrics, we were able to review what we had learned together. Please create a Japanese pop style song using the following lyrics as a reference. わーって書いていきます。ラーメン、寿司。タイトル Japanese food. Create music mode. Gemini create music mode. Gemini music generation feature is highly recommended. Good music. Download audio only. You can create slides that show the lyrics by using Canva's AI mode. Ask it to create the slides and then add the lyrics. Slides the following lyrics. Japanese food, ramen and sushi. You can edit the content of the slides. 1, 2, 3. Upload the music you created earlier to the slides. Upload music. It's complete. で、実際にちょっと流してみます。よいしょ。
Wow, such a great presentation. Thank you so much.
So please when he play the music, generate Canva.
Yes,
お、
I can wait.
出るかな？
I love music also.
Ramen and sushi as well.
Yeah. Good presentation, Prof. Endo.
そう、遠藤先生、プレゼンテーションが消えてるかも。
Please wait. Change
Mm.
slide. Change slide.
Yes. Please wait.
Oh.
So, amazing ですって。
これかな？
てんてんてんてんてんてんてんてんてんてんてんてんてんてん。
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
A steaming bowl of magic right before your eyes. Golden broth is shining like the morning skies. Show you miso shio or a rich pork bone. The greatest kind of comfort that you've ever known. Hear the happy slurping, it's a joyful sound. Warming up your body, spreading love.
Yeah. はい。Yeah, change slide.
It's great.
It's gorgeous. Wow. Kananang,
So,
what do you think?
It's so awesome. Yeah, because you have combined the slide and the music and also the food. Yeah, so this is a perfect combination, I think. What do you think, Koyama?
Yes.
more amazing. And keeps right presentation.
Thank you. Thank you for listening until the end. I'm sorry for my poor English. I hope
No. Your
this
English is very
will
good.
be helpful for you in some way. Please share your workshop QR code.
Okay, we will.
Thank you.
Thank you. For sharing such a wonderful practice with us. And Bobrov, thank you to him for his courage. And myself and this as well. So this point to speak is far more important than how fluently you can speak. No one is this group, whichever mock everyone tell you, and social media behind honesty. So please, everyone, feel free to interact and connect with each other. We are rooting for you. That's anyone have a question to for him? Do you have any
Are there any
question?
question for him? He can answer.
Reiko, I think we have the question on the
Sure.
chat.
So,
Sure.
彼に
Yeah.
質問ある方いま
This
せ
is
んか？
from Aisyah Pratami.
What time?
Yeah.
What time?
Aisyah Pratami. I think I will read the question. How to design a kawaii cartoon using batik and playing gamelan? Could you please share it to us? So, Prof. Endo, it's your turn. Go ahead.
Okay. I'm still confusing. I'm trying to looking at the question.
Okay. I think I will put it again in the chat box. Yeah. Okay. This is Reiko.
Yeah.
Can
Hold on.
you
Thank you.
see
I'll
it?
check it. Okay.
Yeah.
Please look chat.
どうやって可愛い可愛い感じのアニメみたいなプロンプトを作りますかって、それのプロンプトをシェアしてもらえますかって書いてあるんだけど、
はい。
上の方のチャットでプロンプトであったよね。
あ
さっきのやつもう一回お願いします。
これじゃないのかな。
わかりま
私もちょっと見たんだけど、21時54分かな。違う？
それです。もう一回
はい
送ってみます。
OK。ちょっと待ってね。
Thank you.
Thank you.
ナナン He was answering at the 2154. I will just copy and then paste
Mhm.
from Endo Sensei. All right.
Okay.
So this is the prompt
Mhm.
to getting the kawaii picture. It's the cute
Oh,
and drawn doodle style.
okay. Okay. Yeah.
Infographic, kawaii.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Picture, basically.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Any
Yeah.
question?
I hope this is answer from Bu Aisyah. Yeah. Okay.
Any other questions?
Any other question? 日本人も OK よ。お、
Oh, Nana, go ahead.
Nana again?
Nana, go.
Oh,
Kananang? Kananang? Where are you?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry for delay. Yeah.
That's fine.
I want to asking about the combination, yeah, because when I look your presentation is something new for me, yeah, and I have a one question. Did Canva can create a music?
キャンバは、音楽を作れるんですね。作れますか？
ジェミニで音楽を作って、その音楽をダウンロードして、キャンバに貼ってます。
He just make the music from the Gemini, and then from the Gemini, and he put the music onto the Canva. So it's the
Okay.
2 steps. Yeah. So actually, there is a one question from the Japanese teacher asking him, ページごとに歌詞が合わせるのは1ページごとに作業されたのですか？それとも自動ですか？英語で言います。Her question is, each page there is a music rhyme with the music. Are there any good way to put it on together? Because of each page there is a music and also the page is connecting. So that's her question. Okay. どうぞ。
はい。
答え。
今回のものは自分で、マウスでカチカチをしながら音楽に合わせてページをめくっています。動画でこの歌詞の秒数を一つずつ伸ばしていくこともできるんですけど、時間がかかるので、子供たちと一緒に作るときにはマウスでカチカチやっています。
Because he's the Japanese elementary school teacher, with the students, the easiest way to connect the music and also the rhyme together is using the mouse and then just connect together each page. That's the easiest way.
Okay.
So that's his answer. Any other question?
So, Nana-chan, have a question?
Okay. Maybe done.
Yeah, I
Koyama?
guess
Should we
no more
close?
question.
Yeah.
No,
No more
閉めましょう。
questions.
Okay.
Yes.
写
We
真を
can
撮っ
close.
て、写真を撮って、閉めるのかな？
So, the
Let's
big
take
picture
pictures
time.
together for the, for us.
そう、最後に写真撮りたいと思います。
Sorry, one question from the Tamai sensei. She was asking him about, so during the class time, you are making with the kids, how to introduce the things to the students. どのように授業に取り組んでますか？
はい。授業で、学んだことを最後、文章で書いたりすることが多いんですけど、それだけではつまらないので、みんなでグループごとに歌詞を作って授業のまとめを書いてます。すると、子供同士で話し合いをして、音楽を作って楽しくまとめができるようになります。
算数でも国語でも理科でも社会でも、それともなんか特に国語とか特に算数とかありますか？
社会とか家庭科とかが多いですね。
何年生の先生？
6年生です。
He is a 6th grade teacher, and as a 6th grade teacher, during the social study, as well as the other subject, at the end of the whatever the theme or topic of the subject, they're concluding the topic with the students, and the students make a basically making the stories what they have learned, and they make a music together, and then they put the slides together. So that was the one of the teacher's question and his answer. The end. Okay? Right. 続きはどこで聞けますかって書いてあるけど、どうする？
Facebook とかやってるので、また、そこら辺で、やってください。
Yeah, if you have any other questions, ask him using his Facebook account. And he just put his Facebook account over there. So connect to him if you have questions or connection.
Oh, please share your Facebook account or next other account. 他のなんか、アカウントとかを今チャットにシェアしていただければ多分フォロワーが増えると思います。
ありがとうございます。貼らせていただきます。
じゃあ写真撮りましょうか。
So, please open video. ビデオをオンにできる方はぜひしてください。That took quite a long time. I'd like to hear more, but it's time to stop here. Finally, may I take a picture? I plan to post it on social media. なので、もし SNS 等に載せたくない方は奥のままでも構いませんので、最後に写真撮らせていただけると嬉しいです。Okay.
Okay. Hello, Koyama. Can we close
Okay.
the?
Uy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hear my
Okay.
voice?
No. Oh,
Well, let's close this. Yes, let's close this.
Okay.
Our event. Yeah.
No,
Well,
no.
supposed to be. Yeah, what an incredible journey we've had tonight, everyone. Time really flies when we are learning something so transformative. We've seen how Juju masterfully demonstrated the power of Gemini AI, seeing those prompts turn into structured lesson ideas was like watching magic happen right before our eyes. What do you think, Koyama?
More wonderful time. The IKEA Japanese event.
Yeah, hello.
So,
Okay.
next.
Okay,
Great.
and then the way we were deeply moved by Endo Sensei's story, his journey of sharing AI in primary schools in Japan is a testament to how technology can bridge the gap and spark curiosity in even our youngest learners. Well, it's not just about the tools, but it's about the heart and the dedication to sharing knowledge across border. Okay, Koyama, before we wrap up, we want to thank our speakers. Yeah, come on. Ryuhei, Endo Sensei, and Juju for their generosity in sharing their expertise. And of course, a huge thank you to all of you, our wonderful participants from both Indonesia and Japan, for your energy and engagement throughout the session. Please give your best reaction to our tonight event. Thank you so much, everyone. And please don't forget to follow our community updates from GEG Balikpapan, GEG Kota Malang, GEG Urawa, and GEG Goshogawara. We are one global family of educators, and we look forward to seeing your creation inspired by tonight's workshop. And please don't forget, before we leave this, before we close this meeting, so let's take a group photo before we leave. Everyone, please switch on your cameras.
あ、
We
カメラ
will
つけてください。撮ります。
Okay.
Great to see your
Okay.
picture.
Are you ready? I call.
Koyama,
please,
please take.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Koyama.
And,
Please
are you
take the
ready?
picture.
Take a picture. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a picture.
Yeah. Okay. One more time, please.
And
One
then,
more time.
one more time. Okay, are you
Okay.
ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's take picture.
Please. Okay.
Wow, gorgeous,
Yes.
gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you so much, everyone. And Koyama and everybody, have a wonderful night. Stay creative, and we will see ya at the Japanese Year Fall 4. And sampai jumpa. Arigato gozaimasu. Goodbye, everyone. Konbanwa.
Terima
Okay.
kasih.
Goodbye. Thank you for coming,
Koyama. Thank you,
everyone.
thank you.
Thank you, Koyama. Thank you, Reiko.
Thank you, Reiko-san. Thank you, Endo.
Thank you,
Thank
Kanana.
you so much.
Juju.
Terima
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih.
Prof. Endo, thank you.
Thank you, Kak Ju.
Arigato.
Arigato.
Yeah.
Teacher,
Arigato
maybe
gozaimasu.
ada. Yeah, okay.
Koyama, you
Okay.
must follow my account.
Yes, follow your account. So